And now Storm Tracker weather with East Idaho's chief meteorologist, Doug Iverson.
Looking at radar right now, you wouldn't know that we actually have a storm system, very weak storm system, frontal boundary to our south. As we zoom out, you'll see the clouds, but nothing in the way of precipitation. So we're dry, and this dry system did cool us off a little bit. We had some warmer air trying to keep it from pushing farther south. This is what we call a stationary front. Cold front from Montana is stopped as far south as the border. Warm air's like, you're not coming to northern Utah. So neither front's winning the battle, at least at the moment. I think eventually this front will get washed out and we'll get some warmer air. We'll kind of push in behind all that tomorrow. So temperatures will start warming up again. We'll start a little bit of a warming trend, as a matter of fact. We'll be warmer than what you see right here right now. We're at 56 at Pocatello, 47 in Jackson, West Yellowstone at 46. We're in the 50s in the Central Mountains, Haley at 57, mid-60s in Lewiston, 61 in Baker City, and mid-60s in Salt Lake City. So we need that warmer air, bring some of those 60s in for tomorrow, and I think that's what's going to happen. We'll see a few more 60s on the map this time, 24 hours from now. So tonight's forecast, mostly clear for the Snake River Plain. We'll stay above freezing barely in Pocatello. That's about 10 degrees cooler, though, than it was last night. Last night, because of the wind, we managed to stay in the mid-40s, but with less wind tonight, and it looks like a relatively clear sky, things will be certainly a lot colder, and that will be the case in Idaho Falls. Will be freezing cold, unlike last night. Rexburg at 27, so we'll see 20s, too, for some of the Central Mountains. Stanley all the way down to 19. Chalice at 27, right at the freezing mark in both Mackay and Arco. Tonight for the Highlands in western Wyoming, well, 20s for the most part. Driggs at around 30, 26 for Lowen Island Park. And then tomorrow, just a gorgeous day. Mainly sunshine to enjoy. High temperatures will range from the upper 40s to almost 60, 59 to be exact. And Soda Springs. Tomorrow for the Central Mountains, lots of sunshine. A couple little clouds dotting the sky for good measure. And look at those 60s. They're back. Slightly warmer than it was this afternoon, near 60 in Leadore and in Stanley. It will be a sunnier day in the Snake River Plain and therefore slightly warmer. We'll be up to 64 at Pocatello. Idaho Falls will have a high of 61. 7-day forecast. You want warmer? You got it. At least one more day it'll be warmer. Wednesday we hit 70. Unfortunately, we're not there long. But we're finishing off the work week on a cool side. The last weekend of October, by the way, can't complain. Wow. Warmer than average. In fact, last day of the month will be, or second to last day of the month, will be pretty warm too. Temperatures in the 60s this weekend, 58 for the second to last day on Monday. But until then, we'll enjoy the next couple of days in the 60s. Teton area 7-day forecast. Dry weather as well. It will get a little bit cloudy Wednesday night into Thursday. We'll cool off and then work back into those 50s for highs for Saturday and Sunday. And then another cool down for your Monday. Now for the Central Mountains, yep, dry as well. No new snow this week. We're looking at highs in the mid-60s on Wednesday, a little bit cooler Thursday, bobbing back up to those 60s starting Friday. We'll be there all week.